Bella. Aw, you're so sweet. Is snack time a fun time? Hold on, we'll get a close-up of the unmanageables. Bella, what is that you got going on there? Is that your unmanageables? Huh? Is it unmanageable? Yeah. Hi. What are you doing? Can you give your cousin a hug?
Give Haley hugs.
Where's Haley? Haley. Haley. What you got? Is it delicious? Is it so good? No, those are yummy candies. I know you probably want to get in on that, huh? Some Reese's Pieces. She's like, ooh.
She broke into Adam's bag of them once.
Give her a hug.
Give Haley hugs.
She's like, maybe.
Give her hugs. No.
Give Haley hugs.
Give her Sharon.
Aww.
Give her Bella.
So now you have two. You have two cookies.
You just stepped on Haley.
She's like, I don't care. This is yummy. Look at the hair. What is that?
What is that?
What is
It doesn't go down.
It's a fro.
You got a fro?
Huh? Do you have a fro? Can you say fro?
Fro.
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 What is that?
Bella, I think it's unmanageable.
See, it's not going down.
Haley? Haley, are you eating all of the goodies? Huh? Or are you going to throw them all on the floor?